So Sassy gave us a big surprise. Probably can't see it because it's kind of dark in here. We didn't even know she was pregnant, and out plopped a baby. Here it is. We named him Ralph. Come here, Ralph. This is Ralph. 4.1 ounces, pretty good. Looks healthy. Here you go. Go ahead, you can have your baby back, Sass. Emily's like, get out. Oh, you want him to go away? Go on, Snoopy. There's Emily with hers. Hers will be 1 week old tomorrow. So they're sharing babies. It's a little baby Ralph.